Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This one is kind of all over the place. I really did a little bit of everything. Here I was getting ready to go on a surprise day date with my boyfriend. All I was told was to wear jeans, sneakers, and to bring sunglasses. I'm just showing you guys my outfit. I grabbed a sweater because it's been chilly, my Celsius of course, and I'm just sitting waiting because I'm actually on time this time. He always complains about me being late, and to my surprise, he took me to a Pew Pew range. This is me trying to collect myself in the bathroom. It was bad. I calmed down and definitely needed some relaxation after that experience. This is the Bob & Brad Q10 Pro Mini Massage Gun engineered for target relief. It's small and compact but powerful. It's so small, pocket size, and fits perfectly in my hands or my kids' hands because I like to ask them to reach the hard to reach areas for me. I've been using this for like 2 weeks already, but I put it back in the case for the video, which is also really convenient. I'm just showing you the 5 attachments that it comes with, and I will show you my favorite. This is the one that I'm going to be using in the video because I haven't used it yet. There's a heat and cold therapy head. The heat is to soothe tension and stimulate blood flow, and the cold is for alleviating swelling. Look at how small this is in my hands. It's tiny. I love that about it. That's the USB, and where the attachments go, this one is my favorite, but I'm going to be trying out the more targeted one for the video. You can customize your recovery with 5 speed settings and 5 unique massage heads and easy USB-C charging. The high-performance brushless motor, capable of reaching up to 3,000 RPM, gets deep into muscle fibers, breaking down knots and tension with professional-grade precision. I put it on my desk so you can see how powerful it is. It's very quiet too, doesn't sound like much, but trust me, I can only tolerate maybe a level 3. This is where I typically use the massage gun, at my desk. Sometimes I can be at my desk editing for hours and my neck and hands start to get stiff. Even after a long day on my feet, I use this while I'm in bed watching a show. Look at those waves. This is really getting in there and it feels so good. I love getting my hands too, especially my right hand because that's the hand that I use to edit. I'll have all the links in my description for you guys if you're interested, as well as a 10% off discount code. Now we're moving into the kitchen. I've been feeling very Nara Smith lately. We had some whole milk that I wanted to use up, so I decided to make mozzarella. This is our first time trying it. This is what it looked like straight out of the pot after straining it and squeezing it off. Then you have to put it in the microwave a couple of times to get it to this consistency, and it's supposed to get shiny. Maybe we did something wrong, but it turned out pretty okay. I also have been making a lot of pizza dough lately. I've been enjoying making foods from scratch. It's relaxing for me. I've always loved baking, but all of a sudden now I just love making food from scratch. The kids also love getting involved, especially with making dough. We were all making our own personal pizzas, but I had some leftover chicken bones that I wanted to use up, so I decided to make a chicken soup. It's been so cold in Florida lately, so I had this on the stove going for dinner, and then we also made some dessert and lemonade. These were supposed to be sugar cookies, but I ran out of white sugar, so I just rolled them in brown sugar. Girl, they came out so good. I've been making a lot of cookies lately. Snickerdoodle, macadamia nut, chocolate chip. I finally learned how to make a proper chocolate chip cookie. I feel like I'm always making cookies. My boyfriend and his kids love cookies, so I'm always baking. Homemade lemonade is something that my kids have always loved since like our apartment days, and I still make it for them. Yeah, I had to use brown sugar, but it came out just as good. It kind of looks like iced tea here, but it tastes exactly like lemonade. So you guys know we lost our Misa. She ran away, and we've always wanted another cat. However, my house is in shambles. Not only did we get a cat, we got a kitten. My boyfriend asked my daughter, Sultan, what does mommy want for Christmas? And this girl said a cat. So now we have a cat, a kitten, a kitten. And it has been so stressful. Oh my gosh, I feel like, this cat is gonna give me a heart attack. Her name is Momo Isa, and we named her after Dun Dun Dun, of course. And oh my gosh, you guys, if you guys have any tips for potty training a kitten, we felt like she was making a breakthrough with potty training, and then she keeps on having accidents on my bed or someone else's bed, just anywhere. And there's pee pads all over her litter box. We've tried enclosing her in the laundry room, but that just started to reek. The laundry room is so bad to the point that I can't even go in there and do laundry. Our laundry is backed up. You know, normally I'm backed up on laundry. It's even worse now because I just dread going in there. This is what the downstairs look like. We made sprinkles the night before. We were also baking, but upstairs, the laundry room, I'm not even gonna show the laundry room. Oh my God. Don't get me wrong, we love the kitty. She's so sweet and cuddly and just warm, and she purrs and she lays on me. I love her for that. But she is just a handful. You can see like little pieces of her in the background there. The sweetest, but she is testing my patience and my mental health. The sprinkles came out really good, but we did not know that they had to dry out for 12 hours. I thought, they'll probably dry out sooner than that. No, it took a full 12 hours, and some of them were still kind of damp, but it's something that we will definitely be doing again. We also made frosting. We've been making whipped cream, butter. Like, girl, I'm telling you, I have been Nara Smithing it up in this household. And don't worry, we do not let the kitty free roam at night. She's put away and she's too small to jump on the countertops. Also, I'm going to try very hard for her not to do that. Misa used to do it and it kind of grossed me out. So we'll try very hard to not have her do that. It's feeling really good to get the downstairs cleaned up, but I just know the impending doom that awaits me upstairs. I'll show you guys a small clip at the end. Ew. We made burrito tacos the night before and literally left everything out. I was exhausted. Also, my son decided to put Play-Doh way deep on the inside of his ear, like so far back. There's a curve in the ear canal. It was further back than that. Had to go to 2 emergency rooms. Mind you, this is like 2 days before Christmas. Was out for about 10 hours. We were all starving, but they eventually did get most of it out. He still has to go to see a specialist so they can put a camera in there just to make sure everything's out. They got him some antibacterial or antibiotic eardrops. In the meantime, he's been doing fine. He hasn't been complaining about any pain, but I had a mental breakdown after that. It was just like one thing after the other. I'm so grateful for my boyfriend and his trampoline in his backyard because my son loves that and I've been needing a break. I don't know if I told you guys, but the little one's dad fled the country and he hasn't been here for like, what, 3-4 months maybe now? Maybe 3 months, I think, 3.5. So I'm so grateful for my boyfriend. He just makes me feel like I'm not alone. And of course he would come and help me with this mess, but I'm not gonna let him see this. Plus he is a clean freak. Yeah, I'll put my mess on the internet, but I will not let him see this. These are all clean pee pads, by the way. She likes to rough them up. She doesn't use them properly, obviously, since she's always making messes. Our rug had soiled stains on them, and I can't tell you how disgusting it was to use the carpet. I had to throw the carpet cleaner away, girl. I could never look at it the same. And she is on probiotics to solidify her her stuff. But yeah, look at her. She's so cute. She loves all of us. Our old cat was terrified of my son, but she loves playing with him. Ooh, I'm doing a little dancey dance. I was feeling a lot better at this moment. And it looks like I'm doing a lot on my own, but all 3 of the kids are helping. They're in the background getting ready to put the recycling out, put the trash out, and they do have chores. And they do try to help me, but if they see me being lazy, they're gonna be lazier. I popped into the downstairs bathroom really quick just to spray it down with bleach, and then I went back later to wipe it down. I didn't put that part on camera because I just wanted to get upstairs and clean that laundry room. Oh my gosh, I cried. It was so bad. Now I'm going to wipe off this island underneath where the kids put their feet and their friends come and sit here, and it always just looks nasty. I think I'm at the point where I just need to paint it again because the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser sometimes just does not do the job.
Nothing's ever enough. Even if I try too hard. Tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah.
I'm wiping off the chairs here, and someone came to the door, one of Sultan's friends, and the door opened, and we all freaked out because the cat was downstairs, and we're traumatized from our old cat running away. this is a little bit of an update for you guys, but I have so much more to update. I'm gonna have to do a chit chat with Jess so I can update you guys. And I kind of want to tell y'all how I started dating my neighbor. Yes, we live in the same neighborhood. I was so dead set on not ever dating again after 24, but when you're not looking, it just so happens, and it's been amazing. Okay, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll make more like this. This is a vlog. Why am I saying it like an outro for a cleaning video? That's it, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.
Even if I try so hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try so hard.